So how do I make this $20 shout out on my page? $20 might seem not a lot of money, but it can add up into a huge amount of money. So you can absolutely make money on your Instagram page. So this is a music producer that he reached out to me. He wants to put his music on my videos and showing this video, his music on my audience. So there will be more people to listen to his music. So I charge him $20 to put his music on my videos. So what that you can do is you can also grow out an Instagram page and people will start reaching out to your page. They want to selling product on your page, or they want to a music producer, or maybe they are a small page that is similar to your niche and they want to try to grow their pages. So once you have a decent amount of followers on your page, people will start reaching out to your page, then you can start making money. So today I'm going to show you 3 different methods to show you how to find people to sell your shout out so you can start making money today. So the first method that is really simple. You just sit back and relax. And why? Because people will go out to Instagram, they will go out to the search bar, and when they type in the related keyword, for example, my page is in the basketball niche, then people go out to the search bar, they type in basketball, my page will show up. So if your page having a decent amount of followers, the sweet spot that I would say it's around 100,000 followers, then Instagram will start show your page to more people. So when people type in the related keyword, your page will show up. So people will start reaching out to you and ask you the price of the shout out. Then you can start testing your price and see how much money that people are willing to pay to you to post on your page. You can try $15 for 20 hours, you can try $20, $25, $30, then just test out what's the money that people were willing to pay you. So the second and the third method that is we're gonna attack people, we're gonna reaching out to people so we don't sit back and relax. This is for the people that your page is not so big and not a lot of people reaching out to you. So what you can do is you can reaching out to other people. So second method is you're gonna go up to the hashtag page, then you're gonna click on the recent post. Why gonna click on the recent post? Because this owner of posting content, they are stored on Instagram. You're gonna find a post that is under an hour. So you're gonna go up there and you're gonna find this page that is similar to your page, but they are much smaller. So you're gonna send a direct message to them. And you're gonna ask them, do they want to grow their page and they can do a shout out on your page, and maybe they will consider to making a shout out on your page so you can start making money. And because you are sending out message to people, you are asking people, and this is different between people asking you. So the chances is not so big as the people coming to you. So when you're reaching out to people, you have to send out a lot of DM. You have to send out a lot of message. And this is why that I would say you're gonna use your spare account. You don't use your main account, because when you send out a lot of message, you might get an action block, and this will rule your account reach. So you're gonna use your small account, you're gonna use your spare account and reaching out other people. And also use your phone to send out message, because some of the pages, they are not allowed of stranger to send message to them, and it will show out on your phone. So you can see they are not allowed, and you just go out to the next page. So now the third method is you can also go out to the hashtag page, and you're gonna also click on the recent post, but this time we don't send direct message. This time we'll leave a comment on this post. Because these posts, these people just send out the post, then there will be a high chance these people are stored on Instagram. And when you leave a comment on the post, they will get a notification. So they will know that you leave a comment. So on the comment section, you can type in promote it on and at your page. So people can click on your page, then they can visit your page. And if they like your page, then they will reaching out to you and asking you the price so you can start making money. So these are the best 3 methods that I found out to setting your shout out on Instagram, so you can try it out today and start making money on Instagram. And remember, the second and the third method, always use your spare account. Don't use your main account, use your spare account, use your smaller account, so you won't get any action block on your main account, okay? So at the end, I really want to know that how much money that you already made on your Instagram page. Leave inside the comment section. And also, if you have any question, you can leave inside the comment section. Also, I will reply to each and every one. And if you want to send me a direct message, you can also go up to my Instagram page, Join Successful and Basketball 545. I will also reply to each and every one. Okay, so if you got value out of this video, then give me a thumbs up. I will be really appreciated. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell, so later on in the future when I post more video like today, you will get a notification. Okay, so be motivate yourself and never give up. I'm Johnson Lin. See you. Bye.